Let's talk about breakfast. We have breakfast in the morning. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have coffee, toast, butter, some milk, and marmalade. Let's read about some traditional breakfasts in other countries, not in Argentina. Listen and read.
Listen and read. Traditional breakfasts. Breakfasts are different around the world. In the UK, some people have toast and tea. Children often have cereal, milk, and juice. People have this for breakfast in South Africa. It is corn porridge with sugar and milk. Some people in Japan eat a big breakfast. They have fish, pickles, and vegetables. They have rice and soup too. Which breakfast do you like?
Which breakfast do you like? The breakfast in Japan with fish. This is fish. Pickles and vegetables and rice and soup. Do you like the breakfast in Japan? Or do you like breakfast in South Africa? In South Africa, sometimes they have porridge for breakfast. It is corn with sugar and milk. Or do you like cereal, milk, and juice? This is the breakfast in UK, in the United Kingdom. People have tea and toast and marmalade. Which breakfast do you like? The breakfast in the UK? The breakfast in South Africa? Or breakfast in Japan? I prefer the breakfast we have here in Argentina. Don't you?